So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished rearranging an old tub. Homeowner demoed this back. It was a fiberglass tub and some walls in here. So what we did is we took the old valve that was sitting down here and we popped it up there. So it's shower only now. So the tub spot goes away. It's all copper. We soldered it back together and it's nice and strapped now. Before we just had some wire hooks on there. So this valve is nice and tight. Got it stubbed back out here. Had to cut it open because that was not secured correctly. So we fastened it real good. That's good. So we put back the sheetrock that we took out, and then of course they're going to come in with Curdy board, 1/2 inch. It's a waterproof membrane covered up, and then tile. Keep this open like you see it because this cover plate right here, as you can see, it's about a 4-inch diameter. And if you tile too close, what happens? If you look across, you can see that it sticks into the wall just a little bit, and so that guy needs to be able to go into that hole, or square I should say. When you get done, it'll sit in there. Anyway, so that's installed and drywall's back in place. We tested it. Water's on right now, hot and cold. We just leave it on because we want to make sure that there's no leaking up here. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn it off now. So that's now off. It's under pressure. Everything looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.